Welcome to Real Estate Investment Management Brokerage Development LLC. We're working at heights with safety equipment. This is a safety equipment tool that we recommend, that we like. It's a clip, and it's designed for mountain climbing, rock climbing. And so what's neat about this clip is that you can connect in to the rope midway. So if you're halfway up the ladder, you could open this up. Now you have to know which way it goes in. So there's this spring mechanism here, right? And then you push the spring mechanism, right? And it feeds right in like this, and then it folds together. Now, what's neat about this is you can go up really easily to do your work, and if you put pressure downward, locks into place really quickly. Other clips we've used, you can't. So let's say you move up on the ladder, and then you push this little button, and you can move back down the ladder. Or if you want to go up, go like this. So how do you hook it? You get yourself a harness. This is a harness that was almost $600, but you could get harnesses as cheap as $25 or $20 on Amazon. So look, this clip is a very special clip. Look, with one hand, I can rotate this. I can move this in. Look, one hand. And then it locks into place. The clip will spin and lock into place. So if I want to hook that on my harness, I'm doing work, I need one hand. I open it up, lock it into place. Now I move up. Let me move. Take this rope out. So now I'm hooked into my rope. And say, gee, I fall. Now this is gonna stop me, right? So I get back on my ladder. With one hand, I can just move this up easily, right? If I fall, I'm immediately locked. Now I'm up on my ladder and I want to move down. I push this button here. Get you a close look. I push this button here, and I can easily move down. Now the only challenge with this hook is it's an immediately locking hook. You can't belay. So let's say you're up on a ladder, you're way up there, and the wind comes, or you get dizzy, you fall, you're locked, and you're hanging. Now, you're hanging, if the ladder's gone, you're stuck. You can't belay down. So what I do is I always have a phone tied to my belt here, and I can just call with that phone. If I'm, the phone, I'm recording on the phone, that's where it is right now. But I can, if I'm hanging there, I'll probably have anywhere from half an hour to 40 minutes before I'm in big trouble. I just can't hang there forever, because the blood will get restricted with the harness and stuff like that. So you want to carry a phone. If you're hanging, you can make a loop with a rope like this. So you're hanging, and with the excess, you can make a loop like this, and then you could put your foot in it to move up, and then you'll be able to move this down. But really what you need, this device is going to stop you from your immediate fall, which will probably save your life. But if you can't get off the rope and hanging, you could die from hanging there, from the harness restricting blood to you. So it will help you with immediate fall, and then you're going to need some second help. So with a phone, call someone to move that ladder back up and rescue you. But what we like so much about this clip is that we can work with it. A lot of clips, you just can't get any work done with this. So you can move up, down, move up, quick stop, and you're halfway on the ladder. You have this. You take that clip right off. So let's end by taking a look at this. You need to feed this rope. You push this, see this? You push this back. Push that spring back. And then you move this over like this. And now with these clips are great because you can show you that. See this? You move that, and then once you lock it into place, this automatically twists and lock. And you do it with one hand. That's the great part about it. See that? It's locked in. I'm not on the harness. Now I have to get it around the harness. Now I'm locked in. I have this right way. If it was upside down, let's say I did this backwards. See, that's backwards. It's just going to fall. So you'll know right away. If I got this in backwards, and I was trying to go up the ladder, well, I couldn't go up the ladder. So you would know right away because you actually couldn't ascend to your workstation. So that'll disqualify you from using it right away. So let me take this out, put it with the name going upward, slide this, and then this goes in, and then put the rope in here like this, right? Then slide this, so this went like this, from this, slide it like this. Can I move up and down? Well, gee, I can, so I know it must be in the right direction. And then test it. Gee, I can't go down unless I pinch this, move down. We hope this gives you ideas for safety equipment when you're working construction. We use climbing equipment. We think it's much easier to work with. It's better. It's more sturdy. This was almost $600 harness. I think this clip is rated for like 5,000 pounds. This rope might be rated for 5,000 pounds. It was very expensive. And then this clip is only like $25. But it's the best clip we found that allows us to work easily. I can rush up the ladder, and then if I want to move down, I can do that. We hope this helps you be safe and saves you from a fall that would injure or kill you. Thank you.